Here's how to change your Gmail display name in 2026. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account you want to update. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture, then select Manage your Google account. Once your Google account page opens, click on Personal Info from the menu. Scroll down until you see the Name section. This is the name people see when you send emails. Click on Name, then edit your first name and last name. After making your changes, click Save. Google may take a few minutes to update your name across Gmail. Now go back to Gmail and refresh the page. Your new name will appear on all new emails you send. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail name in 2026. Subscribe for more simple Gmail and Google tips.